Good morning! Morning! We're going to go to KTM Dagupan, have our maintenance today. I hope everything is doing good. So I think they're open every the Sunday of the month. They're open last Sunday of the month. Yeah. Shout out for KTM Dagupan there. So, ano ba yung mga papacheck natin? So we're going to check engine coolant, our brakes, we're going to check that one, and check the engine, of course, check engine oil leaks, check the noise coming from the chain. Ano pa ba? Of course, the chain adjustment, brake cleaning, sabi ko na ba yan? And this headlight, yeah, the headlight is fucking vibrating. Excuse me. When you're riding motorcycle here in the province, well, it's a way more easier than in Metro Manila. Yeah, you hear that squeaking sound coming from the front brake. See, morning. It's morning and it's traffic because of this thing. Yesterday, there's my bike here, but hindi ganito karaming sasakyan. It's just slow. I don't know. Feels like my body is not really I'm going to check the engine coolant for today. This guy having some things. I don't want to have some overheating. Yeah, I really hate that squeaking sound there. See? It's squeaking. Let's check some. So I think an ECU update, yeah, that's one ECU update. I'm going to check again.
Hi ma'am.
Welcome to KTM.
KTM Dagupan. Sir.
Sir, baka pwede mo na rin sabihin na may promo kami.
Pwede! Shoutout na.
200, may mga promo kami. Helmet, bag, ay, ano yung bag na yan. Hydration bag, tas yung jacket,
Ayan, so,
and then shot, ito sa inyo ha. Tsaka ito, worth 5,000 plus tong bag na yan, shot box.
ayan, so shout out sa mga yan. May offer mo sila. Ayan, KTM Duke. Para sa Duke 3, 200. Duke 200. Yeah, Duke 200. Yung mga ano to. So, and kasama free.
Yes sir.
Ayan, free.
Worth 10,000 sir.
So, worth 10,000 pesos. Ayan, helmet. Helmet is kasama yung helmet, HDC. Ayan, helmet na HDC. Okay. That's my C90 there. Maintenance. Today is maintenance. Yes. Yeah. So this is the. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yan. Napacheck natin yung headlight for the vibration. Check here. Our right here 650 for the Motorex coolant and 1,800 for the top seat Motorex change oil and oil filter, and of course 1,000 for the leeward. So tapos na yung maintenance. Dito na lang yung vlog. Peace out, man. Peace out.